Chapter 10. Force, Work and Energy. You do different types of works every day. You pull or push a door, lift a bag, throw a ball etc. While studying you pull drawer to pick up books. You run your bicycle by applying force on the pedal. In every action you apply some force to do the work. The energy of your body makes force to do all such works. You will know different kinds of machines that make our works easier. It means energy makes force to do work. More energy is used to make a bigger work. Force. A force is a push or pull. Force is used to pull or push an object. In a football match, a player kicks the ball to send it towards the other end and another player stops the ball. Both of them use their muscular force in the game. In the same way, a batsman hits the ball to change its direction. Thus a force is used to 1. Move an object, 2. Stop a moving object and 3. Change the direction of a moving object. It means a force is a push or pull that makes an object move or stop moving or change the direction of a moving object. There are different types of forces. Let us read them one by one. Muscular force. The force given by muscles of our body is called muscular force. We use our muscular force to pull or push an object and to run or play games. A horse uses its muscular force to draw a cart. You use your muscular force to pick up your school bag. Elastic force. Elastic force of the stretched rubber of a slingshot, gulal, throws a stone at greater distance. Frictional force. The frictional force acts against the motion of an object. A moving object stops or slows down on its own due to frictional force. The frictional force of the ground stops a moving ball on the ground. Gravitational force. The earth has its own force called gravity. This force pulls an object towards earth. This is called gravitational force. This force do not push. Whenever you throw a ball upward, it comes back towards the ground due to gravitational force of the earth. No more. People can jump 6 times higher on the moon's surface than on the earth. This is because moon's gravitational force is very weak. Work. Work is done on an object when we use force to move it and the object moves through a distance. When you use force to push a table and the table moves, then work is done on the table. When you use a force to pull a door and door opens, it means work is done on the door. When you use a force to push the wall, does the wall move? No. It means no work is done on the wall. Thus, work is said to be done on an object or thing, if we move it through a distance. You use force to pick up your school bag and place it on the table. It means you did work on the bag because you have moved your bag. You can think about of your every action like lifting pen or pencil, taking a plate or spoon, lifting your toys, picking your shoes etc. If you moved things or objects, then you have done work on things or objects. Machine. A machine is a tool or device that makes our work easy. A machine can be of 2 types. 1. Simple machine. 2. Complex machine. Simple machine. Simple tools are called simple machines. Bottle opener, knife, hammer, pair of scissors, needle, screwdriver and an axe are some examples of simple machines. Complex machine. A machine which is made up of many parts is called complex machine. Bicycle, sewing machine, washing machine etc. are some examples of complex machines. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We can do work if we have energy. Energy is required for every work like to walk, run, play, laugh, breathe and so on. Every living being needs energy to live. We do various works with the help of energy. There are different forms of energy. Let us read one by one. Wind energy. Wind energy is the energy of moving air. It is used to move fans of the windmills to generate electricity. Water energy. Water energy is the energy of flowing water. Falling water from dam runs the turbines to produce electricity. A dam is built to convert water energy into electrical energy. A dam is a very big high wall which stops the flowing water. A dam has many gates. When gates are opened, water falls down. Falling water is used to produce electricity. Solar energy. The energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. We use solar energy to generate electricity or to cook food. We convert solar energy into electrical energy through solar panels. We cook food in a solar cooker by using solar energy. Solar energy is a non-polluting energy. Chemical energy. This is the energy of chemicals stored in cells and batteries. Chemical energy of cells or batteries converts into electrical energy. People use batteries to start their motorbikes and vehicles. People use cells in their watches or torch. Geothermal energy. The heat inside the earth is called geothermal energy. Very long pipes are inserted deep inside the earth through which heat comes out itself. This heat is used to produce electricity and warm the rooms. Atomic energy. Atomic energy is produced by splitting of an atom. An atom is the smallest particle of a matter. Atomic energy is produced at atomic plants. This energy is used to produce electricity. This energy can be very dangerous if we do not produce it or use it carefully. Energy from fossil fuels. Fossils are the remains of plants or animals which died millions of years ago. Dead plants or animals pressed under rocks, and due to heat and pressure they converted into coal, crude oil and natural gas. These fuels formed deep inside the earth over the millions of years. Fossil fuels are found underground. We take them out by different ways. Fossil fuels are the sources of energy. When we burn them, we get energy from them. Kind of fossil fuels. Coal. We get coal from underground coal mines. Coal is used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Some people use it in their homes for cooking. Crude oil. We get crude oil through deep oil wells. We refine crude oil to get petrol and diesel. We use petrol and diesel to run our vehicles. Natural gas. We make LPG from natural gas. We use LPG in kitchen for cooking. Renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy. Non-renewable sources of energy are those which can get over one day and we cannot reuse them. All fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. The fossil fuels pollute air when they burn. So, we should use them wisely. Renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are those that will not finish. Sun, wind and water are renewable sources of energy. These sources of energy are non-polluting. All energy comes from the sun. All living beings on earth are dependent on the sun's energy. Let us see how. All plants use sun's energy to make their food. Plants also store food in the form of seeds, fruits etc. We eat these foods to live and grow. In this way sun's energy passes on to us. When a cow eats plants or grass and gives us milk, then sun's energy passes on to us through its milk. Quick recap. Work is done on an object when force move an object through a distance. A machine is a tool or device that makes our work easy. Energy makes force to do work. A force is a push or pull that makes an object move or stop moving or change the direction of a moving object. Energy is the ability to do work. Non-renewable sources of energy can get over one day while renewable sources of energy will not finish.